Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to talk about how to install Cypress in your system and start working with it. Okay, so watch the video till the end to understand this in a better way. If you have any queries, comment down below. So first of all, for installing Cypress, you have to create a GitHub repo. You need to have an ID in your system. This can be VS Code. Okay, so I am using VS Code. You can use any other as well. So after this, the next step will be cloning the repo in your desired system location. Install Cypress and Node.js. Okay, because Node.js is mandatory for running automation test scripts with Cypress. So I'll show you so I have already created a GitHub account. So you have to go to github.com and here you can see two repos here, Cypress Automate. Okay, so here it is an empty repository. So I have to copy this one, right? So I have copied this path over here and I have to clone this one. So for cloning this one, right, you have to go to file. You can let me close this folder now. Okay, so you have to create clone repository here. Okay, so I have provided this link over here and you have to also create one folder here. In your desired location, create one new folder. Let me give the name as Cypress personal project. Okay, let me give the name like that. Okay, done. So now I will just clone the repo here and I'll go to the desired location. So I set a repository location and open this one. Okay, so now your remote repository is cloned in your local system. Okay, so now you have to check for that Cypress thing and all. npx Cypress version. Okay, so now your repo is cloned in your system. Now the next step is to install Cypress and Node.js. So you need to check that you have Node.js or not. If you don't have Node.js, install Node.js. You will get step-by-step process in Google. And to install Cypress, you have to just run npm init. Okay, First of all, you have to write this command, then have to press enter and npm will be initiated. And the next step will be npm cypress install save dev. Let me cross verify the so this is the command here, npm install cypress save dev. Okay, so once you press enter, cypress will be installed on your system and you can work with cypress. Okay, thank you.